Peace and blessings. Keep up the lessons. You know who this is. Crypto B-Boy, also known as Brother Taalib from the Brother Taalib Show. Yeah, I'm switching up with the, names. So those who are watching, I appreciate you. If you watch and you go all the way through this, I got a lot of value for you to bring in relation to what? Precious metals. And why precious metals are important, and can or will they be the best way that you can preserve your wealth. We're going to get into that, and just stay with me. Don't go nowhere. Ready? Let's get it. Are you ready? Let's get it. Wow. Back again. All right. So, first, what I want to get into is the read up on about how precious metals can be better for you to preserve your wealth. Not no 401k from the job or stocks and bonds, anything that's intangible, okay? But things that are tangible are precious metals, metal that are precious from the earth, God's money. We know of that. And at course metals lets you know, after you notice over here, on this side, I'm sorry, on this side of me, you see that it's a company that I'm affiliated with, and I purchased my precious metals from there, and I have also invited people. I had one person come in through my wife, a friend of hers, alhamdulillah, which means all praises due to the Creator. Yeah, and I would also advise and suggest to any of you as well. I'm not a financial advisor or anything professional in that area, and do not look at me as such or think of me as such. But I have learned my steps in investing into, safe haven assets. Other than crypto, I am crypto B-boy, but I know that the volatility with crypto is very major, especially now in these times where we don't have, clear regulatory clarity or clarity in, when it comes to regulation and law as far as where crypto or digital assets stands in America. Not get into the world globally or geopolitical issues in relation to money and monetary system, but it is what it is here, and we have to look at that and be real with it. So I'm going to get into what gold does and what it's capable of doing, and what silver does and what it's capable of doing. These both are the main precious metals that are at the levels where you can have more worth in your money, more worth in your wealth. And today, first give you what's the spot prices in the markets today. As I've been looking, you have 2,000 spot gold price, or the gold spot price is 2,415.51 right now. What I see in the Aquos Metal site, as far as the products that we have, and these are the prices that they have now. And it fluctuates as well, but it doesn't fluctuate as much as crypto and other assets, especially assets that are not doing so well in the markets. But crypto has went up, not to get into the markets there, because this is not the video for it. I'm basically basing this video on precious metals and the importance of investing in the precious metals. Also, we have silver, which is at $30.91, and we have platinum, for those of you who are into platinum and see any return on platinum, or that it has a intrinsic value enough for you to make money or use it later on in the future. So right now it's at 1,011.53. So we're going to go on from there and get into the content here. So what I have for you first, I'm going to get into an article that I found on LinkedIn. It was a person who wrote an article that is a SEO. Hold on, let me see. Let me get it up for you real quick. Okay, it's in my mail, so I have to pull that up for you. Just give me a sec. Okay, so it's the topic title is Investing Precious Metals Today. Precious metals, excuse me. Oh, okay. Yeah, precious metals. Let me put my glasses on for you guys, for me, for myself, for my eyes, and my older eyes now. Precious metals investment opportunities and risk, and it's by Annette Lottie or Lode, something like that, and she's a SEO, search engine optimization specialist, content specialist, marketing coach. So this is what she says from March 26, 2024, concerning investment options amidst economic uncertainties. Precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium stand out as beacons of stability for many investors. These tangible assets offer unique advantages, including portfolio diversification, protection against inflation, and serving as a hedge during volatile market conditions. Quick glance on investing in precious metals. Diversification helps in spreading out risk. Inflation hedge maintains purchasing power over time. Tangible assets, physical form of investment, low entry barrier, accessible to many investors. Okay. Precious metals can be crucial to a balanced investment strategy, providing a safety net against the unpredictable ebb and flow of the stock market and economic downturns. With the potential for short-term gains and long-term wealth preservation, precious metals offer a compelling case for those looking to protect and grow their investments. A gold opportunity, unlock your free guide to gold IRAs now. Well, that's just an advertisement. We're not going to click on that. Yet, like all investments, entering the precious metals market involves considerations. Among these are understanding market demand, volatility, storage, and insurance needs. Precious metals do not yield cash flow like dividends from stocks or rent for real estate investments, which makes their value heavily reliant on market precipitation and demand. At at Preserve Gold, at Preserve Gold, our preferred choice, we provide comprehensive support for those looking to secure their wealth against economic uncertainties. Whether you're a middle-aged professional or retiree, our strategies are designed to meet your unique needs and preferences. This is the company, I guess, that is sponsoring this, and that this person who did the article, and they deal with Preserve. But we, as myself included, I put the word out from At Course Metals, because At Course Metals, it name speaks for itself. You will be able to purchase metals at cost of what the dealers will get from the mint manufacturers companies, right? So that's what you really want to do, and cut the middleman out so that you can get, a kind of like a discount. No, you're not going to have to pay, premiums. You're not going to have to pay money that is beyond that which is the regular price that the dealers even get, markups or anything like that, right? So this is what we want to do. That's why At Course Metals, and At Course Metals also gives you other options. You have a subscription that you come in on, and you from there you have other options, and you have access to benefits that I will allow you to know and find out for yourself a little bit more from the video that I'm going to allow you to watch right now. So just bear with me and hold on for a second, and I'll get it for you. Okay, so here we go. Just listen in to what the lady is saying about At Course Metals. Skip that.
Have you ever pondered on how to safeguard your wealth in an affordable and safe manner? Picture a world where precious metals are not only within your reach, but their storage is secure and cost-effective. Welcome to the reality of At Course Metals memberships. Priced at a mere $149 or $399, our membership plans are tailored to meet your financial requirements. They provide an unparalleled opportunity to purchase precious metals at cost. This means you pay what we pay, no markups, no hidden fees. But there is more. Our members can also sell their stored precious metals whenever they wish. Alternatively, they can choose to have these precious metals shipped directly to them. It's as straightforward as it appears. Indeed, a golden opportunity for the insightful consumer. Here, we view precious metals as a service, not a profit center. Our mission is to provide the best price, coupled with fast, reliable shipping or top-tier vaulting with real-time round-the-clock reporting. It's your choice. We're so confident in our pricing that we display it up front on our website, inviting you to compare our costs with anyone. For instance, let's take the most commonly traded silver coin in the world, the Silver Eagle. At the time of creating this video, our price was $26.48. Compare that to the average, normal, typical prices of the exact same coin from other companies that are known for their pricing. It was $31.24. So you could expect to pay around 18% more elsewhere. Our selection of at-cost options is as diverse as it is vast. Some examples include silver eagles, silver maple leaves, an array of generic rounds from around the world, 10-ounce bars, gold eagles, gold buffaloes, gold bars, and even 100-ounce premium bars like Johnson Matthey and Engelhard, just to name a few. Our selection is sure to meet, and perhaps even exceed your expectations. It is all the same metal you want now, just at much better prices. On top of our at-cost pricing of precious metals, we also offer either free or at-cost shipping. Once you have ordered your metal, you have the freedom to ship your physical metal immediately or securely store your metals in our unique DAP vault, a digital and physical vault that offers 24/7 access. With our DAP vault service, we elevate the purchasing of real physical gold and silver. Whether you want to purchase $1 worth of metal or $1 million worth, we've got you covered. Most importantly, we offer a high buyback price when you decide to sell. The spread, which is the difference between the price we sell to you and the price we buy back from you, speaks volumes about our commitment to you. We are partnered with the highest ranked and rated global vaulting companies, bringing together multinational entities with sterling records in security, safety, and service. This collaboration allows us to offer the most economical service to our customers. We offer strict inventory controls, real-time reporting available 24/7, expedient processing of shipments, fully insured delivery, international shipping, and customs clearance. Here at Cost Metals, your safe purchase of precious metals is our top priority. So why wait? Join at Cost Metals today and start saving on your precious metals purchases. Find an at Cost Metals referral code to start saving significantly today. Embrace the most economical way of buying precious metals, and let your purchase of precious metals shine brighter with each passing day.
Alrighty then. So, like I said, At-Cost Metals provides it for you, gives you the best deal that you can probably get at this time and point in time on the markets. And you have plenty of companies, but do they give you all that At-Cost Metals provides and gives to you? So if you want to know more information, or this video wasn't enough for you, then look me up. I'll have my email in the description. You can send me an email, and if you're serious, I will get back to you within the email, and possibly give you, if we do connect and it's on the up and up, give you my WhatsApp information, and then we can connect there more on a private, back to person to person, a more direct, or like DMing, pretty much direct messaging, and then we can go from there, and I can give you more information if you want. But if you're a type of person who's a go-getter and you're really into this, like major, and you see, you might want to run back the video again, it's up to you, and you see that this is something for you, and that you really want to own real money, okay, God's money, as some of us would say, then go ahead with it. And I will also have my link, my referral link there in the description area. And for this video, for those of you who are watching, don't forget to subscribe to Crypto B-Boy, and click the like button if you do enjoy the content in the video and it's valuable to you, because you want to know what's going on in this market and in this space, because gold or precious metals is a whole nother ecosystem and space of assets. Like I know I am in the space of cryptocurrency or digital assets, but I am venturing into this space a little more now because I know the importance. I know what I want to preserve my wealth in and not know 401k or any of those things. And now I got another little information for you that I want you to listen to. This is a lady, and she's very well rounded in the area of precious metals, finance, and so forth. She has a background, a very good educated background and professional background. Her name is known as Lynette Zhang, and I will let you listen to a little bit of why it's important to preserve your wealth into precious metals other than other safe haven assets as well, which I'm not going to be bringing that into this video, but there are others out there. And some of you, if you educate yourself in the area of finance and, get more financially literate, then you will learn about the other areas as well. But, some of the videos I do have, and I venture into some of them with some of my crypto as well as I came up with that. So let's get into it, all right? Just hold on for a second. I'll pull this up for you. And there she is. And let's get her started for you guys. And just listen in real quick.
This is probably, at least since I've been doing Zhang Enterprises, I consider this the most important video that I've done yet, because there is a major, have I said that enough? Pattern shift that is occurring right now, and that is a really big indicator, especially with all the problems in the banking system that we can't even see. But we will be seeing it, and I don't know when, but I don't think we have too much longer to go. It kind of depends. So let me talk about this pattern shift. Please make sure you give us a like while you're thinking about it. Leave us comments, and make sure you ask lots of questions after this. And I don't care. You can ask me any question at all, but this is huge. So let's dive right in so you can see it, because there is actually a major pattern shift that indicates the end of a 53-year-old trend. And why is that 53-year-old trend so important? Because it takes us all the way back to 1971, when we shifted from at least a quasi-gold-backed currency into a pure debt-based currency, with the central banks controlling the debt and the interest rates. That is huge. Now, what are bonds? Okay, because this is gold's return in 50 years exceeds bonds. Now, of course, they're looking at it in yield, and that is really important. But what is a bond? A bond is debt. Why do you care about that? Because that's how money is created in this system. How is it supported? The full faith and credit of the government. So let's translate that. As long as you trust them, you have faith, well, you will continue to loan them money, extend them credit. And this is showing you that that whole piece, the government's ability to support the currency by creating more debt, is gone. That's what this is showing you. That is huge. This is why I said the most important video that I've done here at Zhang Enterprises yet, because you need to know it sooner than later.
But just to add to what she's saying and give a little bit of breakdown, understand, I try to break stuff down sometimes for some people who are not, financially literate on this scale of things, and understand sometimes you got to break it down. But those who are listening in, as an audience and listening to this video. But basically, she's trying to say that America, let's speak on America, American economy is running out of time, or, the economy is in a great crisis because of all the debt that has been built up. The debt ceiling is done. They went through it. I mean, trillions of dollars in debt. I mean, and that's different actual, what the country is in debt with, whether it's borrowing money from other countries, or whether it's overspending in military, spending, or whatever area they overspend, and they've gone far beyond, and then they just print money like she said. It's out of hand. It's beyond repair. Now it has to be a total reset, and everything has been going in the line and been planned, as I always say, all part of the plan and set into motion. And you have to be positioned properly to know how to deal with what's coming, and surf the great waves that are about to come in and enter. And hopefully those waves are going to be loads of liquidity and revenue of money, because you invested yourself properly and you positioned yourself properly, and you were doing what I brought this whole video for you, is to save your money in precious metals, preserve them there, and store your wealth there by buying and purchasing metals and having and storing your metals, whether it be in vaults, private vaults like herself, Lynette Zhang, she does this, or whether it be in your home. But of course, you're gonna have to secure it. You're gonna have to have something to protect you and your wealth. So know that. But anyway, let's let her say a little more, and then we'll finish the video.
Now, from 1971, fiat money has been created from debt, like I just showed you. A properly diversified portfolio, because all of those intangible assets are predicated on the value of this underlying currency. And that's what I keep saying. I mean, I've been talking about this for so many years, and people say, well, Lynette, you've been talking about it, nothing has happened. That's not true. It's just happening beneath the surface, where you can't see what's happening until it's too late. All those issues that brought down the financial system in 2008, they were just papered over, which actually makes what's happening that much worse, because there's that much more debt that we have to deal with. This is a debt crisis. Let me just keep going on.
Stop there. And if you want to, I'll have Lynette Zhang's video here. This one which is a 53-year-old pattern has been broken. We'll have her video in the description area, inshallah, God willing. That's what we say in Arabic. And then you can go ahead and watch it and continue to watch her video and get as much more information from her. But I really appreciate you guys. The video has gone a little bit longer than I expected. And I apologize for those, break-ins with the, ads. That's when you don't really have that. What do you call that? That premium YouTube. And, I got a budget. So anyway, but if, to help with the budget, you guys, hey, man, you know what it is when it comes to YouTube. If you don't already know, everything works by the algorithm. So please do click the like button, smash the like button, but don't break your keyboard or on your phone, right? You don't want to break your phone. And subscribe if you're not subscribed to get more information. I will be bringing more videos about metals, precious metals, and the importance of them and investing in them, and as much more information as I gain while I am following people like Lynette Zhang and the likes of these people who are professionals in this area. And, I'm still kind of new myself. I'm also even still a new, the company at Course Metals is a new company, but they've been around as far as with other companies, but that they actually upgraded their area of knowledge in precious metals by starting this business, which is like a spin-off of the other older businesses that they had with precious metals. And this one includes a lot more of many different features that customers can partake in and also benefit, and with convenience, such as you heard in the video, the overview video of the Aquos Metals company, the DAP vault. That's very, very important, and that gives a lot of convenience for people to move their money through the internet, as far as using the DAP system, and they don't have to, and everything is like Web3, like, you know what I mean? So it's value moving across the net. So that's where we're going anyway. Everything is going digital anyway. So you want to have yourself in that position to be able to have access to your precious metals, not just have your precious metals in a physical place, but have access to utilizing the liquidity from your precious metals to wherever you go in this world, because the world is changing like this globally. So we have to be able to upgrade ourselves, adapt to what's going on, and position yourself accordingly. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'm going to be out. Crypto B-Boy. I got more to come, changing up things a little bit, doing a little more, and trying to be here because unfortunately, due to time and time taking me away from being able to give you guys this value in these videos that I try to do for you guys. And I hope, you enjoyed it and benefit from it. So until next time, you know what it is. Crypto B-Boy, I'm out. Peace. Take it easy.